Welcome. Have you ever tried art clay silver syringe type? Can you believe you can make Openwork designed silver charms like this fish and rose quite easily? Well, in this video, you will see much more, because I will show you steps to make a unique work like this egg. This has been made with a combination technique of Openwork and hollow design with the syringe type in one piece. You must be wondering, how can you make a hollow egg? Okay. Here's what you need. A wood clay in this box. Clay is made from recycled wood powder, and soft enough to mold easily in your hand. Make a ball in your palm, and slightly change it into an egg shape like this. This is an air-dry clay to be hardened after 2 to 3 days in a room temperature. As you can see the lighter brown color egg on the right. After drying, you should file it into more desired shape. The ball molded in your hands should have bumpy and rough surface. Grab your medium fine file to treat surface to make it smoother. Then, sand it with a sponge sanding pad, red number 320 to 600 grit, entirely. Next is, draw guidelines with a marker. Draw 3 center lines on the ball in vertical and horizontal ways. It makes total 8 sections. Then, start drawing your desired design for Openwork syringe lines. Keep drawing any detailed design. Don't forget drawing all lines to be connected each other. Now, make a center hole in the ball from top and bottom with 1 mm drill bit all the way through. Take a wooden skewer to poke it through the hole. Take 10 grams of art clay silver syringe type, and a green nozzle. Cut 5 mm of the nozzle end with a craft knife, and attach it to the syringe type. Place bottom of your palm, hold the syringe on a rubber block with your dominant hand. Hold the skewer with your fingers. Then, extrude first ring syringe line in the center. Cut any excess with a wet craft knife. Moisten the edges with paintbrush to connect each other. Make another syringe line in the center as same step as the first one. Dry the center line with a hot air dryer about 5 minutes, and start drawing upper side design. Tips for successful syringe line is to repeat a combination process of drawing and drying after finishing by each group of pattern. Here, I'm trying to make a pointed arrowhead design now. So, as you can see, I am extruding a line one by one, and cut excess clay to cut each time, then moisten all connections to join together with a paintbrush. After finishing upper part, dry it, then start drawing lower part. After drying, cut any excess syringe with a craft knife to make it sharp end. This makes a difference in appearance later. Okay, next is smaller arrow design between the large ones. Extrude a line, and touch down to the large line. You can cross over the connections as long as you merge connections with a moistened brush. Cut any excess one to the other. Repeat this steps until the end. After drying, take a wet wipe, and gently rub the entire lines. This makes a very smooth surface as pre-finish. Okay, now you need to close the top part. Pull down the skewer. If it feels stiff to pull out, cut top part of it. Draw a small circle, and widen it with a moistened brush to connect with small arrowheads. Add another circle inside to fill it up, and attach a fine silver screw eye to it. In the bottom hole, pull out the skewer or cut it off, then, close the hole with syringe. This is an optional design to add if you like. I show you example of tiny line decorations using blue nozzle syringe between the wide lines. This detailed line gives delicate lacy design expression. Again, make sure to check all lines are connected each other. Tap between lines with a moistened brush gently. After drying it completely, fire it in an electric kiln. Fire it for 5 minutes at 800 degrees Celsius. Then take it out of the kiln. Polish to finish after cooling down. Attach a jump ring and a silver chain to wear. Working with art clay silver syringe type may look a little difficult and hard work. Don't be afraid. It's so fun. Try simple projects first, then challenge a hollow and Openwork design. If you figure out how to make desired drawings, your expression with art clay silver will be more variety and unlimited. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.